Hey guys, what's up? My name is Chloe and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I wanted to switch some things up with my videos. And if you hear some noise in the background, that is family and friends because we're having company today. And make sure you subscribe, like, comment down below any other videos you would like me to do. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get started. So, I want to change things up, like I said earlier. So I decided to show you my slime, and I wanted to play with it for a little bit. And give this video a big thumbs up if you like slime, and comment down below what other slimes you have. This is a Floam. This is a red velvet birthday Floam. I actually made this a couple months ago, and it's like really thick. And I love other slime videos, and if you actually made one of those videos, comment down below. And I just love this slime. It's probably my favorite slime right now. It's really pretty. We got some other slime or Floam. We got some other Floam. I got so much slime at at my other house. As you can tell, I'm in the kitchen because I can't go in there because there's carpet and I don't want to drop it on the carpet. So I decided to film in here on a counter that is way better. And it has green, blue, like a darker green, sky blue, brown, pink, purple, yellow. So basically all the colors. And it's really cool. It's really stretchy. And yeah, so I'm going to prop you guys up a little bit more so you can see the slime. And yeah, you listen. Make sure you comment down below what your favorite slime is. And if you like this video, make sure you comment down below, make other videos like this, and comment down below any other videos I should do. If you have any suggestions, make sure you comment down below. My comment section will not be disabled. gonna give you a better shot of this. I will be getting a new camera soon. I'm using a phone right now, and I know it's kind of bad. I really want a camera and a GoPro, especially a waterproof one. So I'm trying to raise money so I can buy that one, and like a vlogging camera and stuff. Like I said, if you hear talking in the background, we have a bunch of people over. We're kind of having like a get-together with friends and family. And I'm sorry if you hear stuff in the background. I wish I could do it quieter, but I can't. Sorry for the cringy hands. I got cringy hands. I've been playing with it for about an hour and a half. Ever since we got in the car, I've been playing with this. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment down below any of the videos you'd like me to do, and give it a big thumbs up, and turn your post notifications, and I'll see you later. Bye!